Shri Gurubhyo Namah, Shri Matre Namah. In this video, we will talk about importance of mantras. The term mantra is explained as Mananatrayate Mantraha, the contemplation of which liberates. It is the harmonious and powerful union of mind, manas and word, vak. It is the living sound transcending beyond the mental plane. Its relevance is in its inherent Shakti. Its supple sound attempts to visualize the undifferentiated divine principle. Mantra is beyond intellects. Its inner essence has to be grasped. Earnestness and faith before you chant. Mantra is said to connect in a very special way the objective and subjective aspects of reality. The mantra, in its sublime form, is rooted in pure consciousness. The Shaiva text Shiva Sutra describes mantra as the unity of a vak and a consciousness. As I said, it is the living sound transcending beyond the mental plane. The indistinct or undefined speech, anirukta, having immense potential. In its next stage, it unites harmoniously with the mind. Here, it is a union of mind, manas and word, vak. If an idol or yantra is the material, stula form of a deity, the mantra is the supple form of a Sukshma Rupa. And beyond that is the para, the contemplation, absorption into the very essence of the deity. And that leads to the realization of the bliss, anubhava of ananda. It is said, when one utters Daiti's mantra, one is not naming the deity, but is evoking its power as means to open oneself to it. It is said, mantra gives expression to the identity of the name with the object of contemplation. Therefore, some describe mantra as a catalyst that allows the potential to become a reality. The reverse is said to be the process of japa. Reciting or muttering the mantra, it moves from Vaikari through Madhyama to a Spashanti and ideally, and in very cases, to Paravaka. In Tantra, mantra also refers to the letters of the alphabets that are regarded as the perceptible forms or the aspect of the mother, and hence are termed as the matrakas. The mother-like who attain on the great mother and approximate her to some extent. It is believed that 52 alphabets of the Sanskrit language emanated from the mother, Matrakamai, and she takes the name in every one of them for the purpose of daily recitation. Each of the 51 alphabet letters, matrikas, is extended in a given order into a name of a Devi. Amrita, Akarshani, Indrani, Ishani, Uma, Urdhvakeshani, Ekapadani, Aishwari, Omkarini, Aishtantika, Ambika, Aksharatmika, Kalaratri, Khatita, Gayatri, Khantadharini, Narnatmika, Chanda, Chaya, Jaya, Janakarani, Jnanarupa, Thankasta, Thamkarini, Damri, Dhamkarini, Namini, Tamsi, Thamini, Dakshayini, Dhatri, Nanda, Parvati, Fatkarini, Bandhini, Bhadrakali, Mahakaya, Yashaswini, Rapta, Lambavosti, Varada, Shashini, Saraswati, Hamsavati, and Kshamavati. During the ritual worship of the mother, her presence is invoked in the body of the sadhaka through a procedure known as a Anganyasa, or consecration of the different parts of the body. The invoking of the mother Matrika Nyasa, along with the 5 elements, is significant ritual. It is meant to emphasize that you belong to the mother and you are sanctified by her presence in you. Another explanation is also based in the structure of the Devanagari alphabet. First is the A group Varga, which contains the vowels, then the Ka, Cha, Ta, Tha, Pa, Va, and Ksha-grupa. It is believed the 7 mother goddesses, Saptamatrika, correspond to the 7 consonant group Vargas. And when the vocalic A group is added, the 8 mother goddesses, Ashtamatrikas, are obtained. In this grouping, Brahmi is associated with the Ka Varga, Maheshwari with the Cha Varga, Kaumari with the Ta Varga, Vaishnavi with the Tha Varga, Varahi with Pa Varga, Indrani with Ya Varga, and Chamunda with Ksha Varga. It is said the 8 Matrika, Mahalakshmi, is the presiding deity of a Varga. Another Tantra text, Lakshmi Tantra, declares Matrika is the source of all mantras, the origin of all sciences, and the soil from which all the principles, all the sages, and all knowledge are born. Matrika Shakti is the power of sound, that is the matrix of the cosmos, and manifests as the letters in the alphabet. Varaha Purana interpreted the Matrikas as the symbols of Atma Vidya, a spiritual wisdom that fought against the dark forces of ignorance embodied by the demon Andhakasura. In Sri Vidya tradition, the Panchadashi, Panchadashakshari, and the Sodashi are the cardinal and exclusive Rahasya mantras. The Panchadashi mantra of very potent 15 letters or syllables, Bijaksharas, composed of 3 segments Kuta, is indeed the very heart of the Sri Vidya Upasana. Tantra Shastra says that Devata and mantra composed of letters Matrika are indeed one. Matrika is the Shakti and Shakti is a Shiva. Shri Matre.